Hey guys, 2010 Chrysler Town and Country, 32 millimeter impact socket to get that off. And here's what we want to do. I'm changing the control arm. Already got that bolt out. That's 21 millimeter. In the back, that's a 21 millimeter right down there. 21 millimeter bolt from underneath and 24 millimeter nut on top. And right in here, you're gonna have to take that axle nut off. I know some guys are grinding down box wrenches. You can't do that, okay? Just get the 32 millimeter deep impact socket and take that off. Take that axle nut off, and then you're gonna have to get in here, and I recommend getting one of these gear wrenches or whatever. Cut out on me, sorry. 18 millimeter here. Use a ratcheted wrench and you're in business, okay? You guys take it easy. Bye.